Sunfish HR Accesses employee self-service feature that enable the employees to create requests for themselves. It can also be used by approvers to approve the request. This video will show you how to configure the request approval setting. Go to Setting, System Setting, Workflow Management, Request Approval Setting. To configure Request Approval Setting, you can view the list of request approval settings for certain requests that were created previously. Let's make some examples for request approval setting. Example 1, we will create a leave approval workflow for the following scenario. Requester will be probation employees from its support department, and the approvers are their supervisors and its manager. Click the plus button to add new workflow, then an Add Request Approval page will appear. In the request code selection box, choose Attend and Stop Leave. Then choose the request order. The higher order represents the higher priority. If user create a request, system will go for the setting with the highest request order in events. If the condition do not match, the system will go for the setting with a lower request order. And so on. Next, type the request name. Click the requester icon and select Edit. In Filter Employee tag, choose its support organization unit and probation employment status. Then, click the Save button. Now let's define the approver. Click the approver icon and choose Edit. The default approver is the supervisor and default approver type is Notification. Notification means that this person is not required to approve the request, but can reject the request. Required means this person must approve, reject, or request the revision of the request. Sequence means that this person must approve, reject, or request the revision of the request so the next approver can respond to the request. In this example, we will choose the approver type of required. Add a new approval step by clicking the approver icon and choose Add New Step. Click the new approval icon and select Edit. Since the approver will be a specific position, we must select Position Radio button. Select It Manager from the suggestion tip icon. Select the approver type. Once finished, click Save. After everything is confirmed, click Submit to save the configuration. The new workflow will be added to the list. You can edit the request configuration by clicking the request name. Click Cancel to return to previous page. Or you can delete the workflow using Delete button. Or you can edit the data and click Submit to save change of data. Example 2, we will create a leave request approval for the following scenario. The requester is President Director. The request is auto-approve, meaning it is automatically approved after the request has been created. We will start by using the same step as last time. Click the plus button to add new workflow, then an Add Request Approval page will appear. In the request code selection box, choose Attend and Stop Leave, then choose the request order. Next, type the request name in the text box. Click the requester icon and choose Edit. In the Filter Employee tag, choose President Director Job Title, and then click Save button. Click requester icon and choose Switch Approver Type. Note that the approver has changed to Selectable Approver. Click requester icon and choose Switch Approver Type again. The approver will be changed to Auto Approve. After confirming everything is OK, click Submit to save the workflow. The new workflow will be added to the list. You can edit the request configuration by clicking the request name. Click Cancel to return to previous page. Or you can delete the workflow using Delete button. Or you can edit the data and click Submit to save change of data.